We originally were gonna hang out over here, just kind of do a mastermind like around the room for the day. And then somebody had the suggestion that we go and check out some properties. And then I put it out in an email to everybody, and you guys were like, hell yeah, let's go check out the properties. So it was almost like a unanimous vote to go and take the road trip. So that's what we're doing. We got the bus. We're gonna head out. We're gonna check out 3-4 properties, okay? 2 of them are next to each other, and the other 2 are like right next to each other. So we're gonna go and drive about 2 hours, and during this initial 2 hours, we're gonna go around the bus, and everybody's gonna do just kind of a quick intro and take a few minutes on everybody and kind of like what they're looking to get out of this event, right? And if there's a resource, there's a connection, there's a piece of knowledge that you're looking for, the collective brain power in this room will help you achieve that and gain access to those resources. This is like flat as a pancake, which is nice, and a lot easier to build on than having to do the it's not that tough doing all that stuff. So it just makes it even easier. And then and the good news is this is all undeveloped, so you got nice wooded lots, beautiful all around. I think that's a conservation easement over there. That could be developed, I think, in the future, but.
Do you pay extra for conservation?
Yeah. Should. Yeah, for sure. They would charge more.
Can you say the infrastructure was in place? What's the roadway and everything? All the drainage in place as well?
Yeah.
And are the roads city or like city?
Having fun on the island. Way out there, you guys can kind of see a water tower. That's Hilton Head Island. We are out here at Patriots Point, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, overlooking the Charleston Harbor right now. We have 24 golfers out here from the Mastermind, and we divvied up teams. We're going to be playing a scramble, and each team has somebody who's good, 2 people who are not that good, and 1 rider because they're even worse. So it's going to be a good time. It's a great group. We've had an amazing couple of days, amazing food, amazing Mastermind, got to visit a bunch of the properties, and now we're going to go have a little bit of fun. So work hard, play hard.
All right, the absolute biggest takeaway is that Tim is very loud on the golf course, and you got to keep the beers away from him, but it's always a good time. In all seriousness, everybody here is fantastic. I mean, it's hard to find a good group of people that are doing stuff, but it's even harder to find a group of good people who are doing stuff. And what I mean by that is everybody's approachable, everybody's open, nobody's judging anybody, except for this guy. He's judging me when I'm ordering a lot of food. But anyways, we're having a good time. Everybody's super open, you know, going through everybody's biggest bottleneck, helping people break through that. And I can already see partnerships being formed and value being added. Not that there needs to be money changing hands, but just a quality group of quality people. I think it's really important to find that. You know, for years inside my business, I didn't have that, and I did all right. I did just fine, but when you're entering an industry like real estate, it's very, very much so relationship-based. So it's been really important for me, super helpful, and it's been fantastic.
Hey guys, Jeff from Tampa Bay. All I want to say, Legacy Mastermind has been fantastic. All I can say, value, 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 value. I've been on a bus with these guys, about 24 guys and gals, all value. We toured islands, we went on a boat, we went golfing, we did everything you could possibly think of that was amazing. All right, and now we're eating dinner, talking, masterminding, and learning, okay? Can't be nowhere else other than here. Love it.
Yeah, I think the biggest takeaway for me is coming into this event, I've not really been around people that have been in this industry or have been heavily involved in real estate investing, and so a lot of these people are really doing, you know, great things and very successful in what they do, and then I realized that they're just normal people.
So this was my first event ever, coming to anything like this, any type of mastermind, and biggest takeaway was just putting yourself around people to help you scale up and where you want to be and stuff that they have already accomplished, and putting yourself around the right people and learning from them and networking and just growing yourself by learning from other people.
I'm at Legacy Wealth this week, and man, it was amazing. Biggest thing I can take away from this was collaboration is key. If you don't collaborate with people, you're gonna get left behind. I have so many action items to take from this event. I'm ready to get home, get to work, and just joining a mastermind has changed my life. I've been in Tim's mastermind for about 6 months, and my business has boomed. So I can't say thank you enough, Tim. Thank you everybody else that's been here, and go collaborate.